In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and update preferences in Klaviyo to reduce unsubscribes. Whether you're new to Klaviyo or looking to optimize your email strategy, having a well-structured preference center is crucial for keeping your subscribers engaged and reducing the likelihood that they'll hit that dreaded unsubscribe button. Let's dive into the steps you need to take to set this up effectively. First, you'll need to log into your Klaviyo account. If you're not familiar with Klaviyo, it's a powerful email marketing platform that allows you to connect with your audience in more personalized ways. Once you're logged in, navigate over to your account settings. You'll find this option typically on the right-hand side or in a drop-down menu under your profile icon. Next, head over to the Settings section. Under this submenu, click on Other and then select Consent Pages. This area is where you'll configure how your subscribers can manage their communication preferences with you. Now look for the option that says Edit Page under the Preference Page section. Clicking this will take you into the Customization area where you can set up how your preference page will look and function. Here you'll want to add various blocks that allow your subscribers to choose their preferences. Consider what information is important to them and how they might want to interact with your content. For instance, adding a radio button block enables subscribers to select how often they want to hear from you, such as daily, weekly, or monthly. This choice can be crucial for reducing unsubscribes as it respects the subscriber's desired communication frequency. Checkboxes work particularly well for allowing your audience to choose specific content preferences. You can offer categories like product updates, blog posts, or special promotions depending on your business type and content strategy. Additionally, include any other blocks for preferences that might be relevant to your brand. After setting up all the necessary options, it's time to publish the page. Review your changes to ensure everything is correct and looks good. Once you're satisfied, hit the Publish button to make the page live. The next step is incorporating a Manage Preferences link in the emails you send out. It's essential to make it as easy as possible for your subscribers to update their preferences and stay engaged with your content. Make sure to use the %unsubscribe% tag to provide the standard unsubscribe link. Alongside this, include your Manage Preferences link. This dual option gives subscribers an alternative to unsubscribing by simply updating their preferences instead. Utilize the Klaviyo tag to insert the unsubscribe URL efficiently. Finally, make sure to test these links thoroughly. You want to ensure that clicking them directs your readers where intended without any errors. This step helps maintain your professional appearance and ensures a smooth user experience. By following these steps, you'll have a comprehensive preference management system that not only gives your subscribers more control, but also works to keep them on your list. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.